Why is he getting close though? Is there someone in there?
No.
Both people managed to get out?
I think 3 people. I think I counted 3 people get out.
Did you guys see the fucking thing land?
No.
Stephanie
We heard it and then we came out.
There's someone that's in there very injured.
Is this an only in date thing? Or is this fucked up?
Don't-